California car cover crew is back on the road this weekend. We're in Bowling Green, Kentucky at Beech Bend Raceway Park. We're here for the 7th Annual Danchuk Tri-Five Nationals. So this event's all about classic Chevy. So 55, 56, 57 Chevrolets, wagons, Nomads, Bel Airs, hardtops. That's it. Cars, trucks, nothing else. So it's an amazing event. Usually tracks over 2,500 classic Chevys here each year. In addition to a 3-day car show, there's plenty of drag racing, exhibition runs, there's gassers, wheel standers, a little bit of everything happens here at Beech Bend Raceway Park. So check out our short video, got some great highlights, there's amazing cars here. The last day of the event, they'll be crowning the Tri-Five of the year and also giving away an amazing car built just for this weekend. So check out our short video and see where the California car cover crew has been, what we've been up to all weekend here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.